everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will make some floral gowns for our princess. For our first princess, I will make her an amazing gown with different kinds of flowers. First, we need to make a base to have the princess stable. Then, we will need to cut a half of circle to make the bottom. I will put rainbow stone at the edge. I need a small piece for the top. Looks good. Now, I will make some stems and leaves in green. Let's make some flowers. I will add some details on the petals. Now, I will arrange the stems, leaves, and flowers on the dress. We just finished making the first floral gown for the Princess Merida. She will be stand out with this gown tonight. Let's move on to our second princess. Our Cinderella is excited to see her new gown. I will make her gown full of lily flowers. But first, we need to make a base. will make a white fondant layer for the foot of the dress. To make a fondant layer, I cut a strip, fold it, and light it on the base. Next, I cut a rectangle shape and wrap it around the base to make the bottom. A small piece for the top. Perfect! I make a red belt this time. I will make some lilies. Alright, let's make some flowers. We have a beautiful gown full of lily flowers. Our princess must be really excited to show her new gown with everyone. Let's move on to another princess. Do you have any idea for her gown? Let's make her special blue gown with roses. We still need to make a base. Then we will cut a half of circle in blue Play-Doh, like this. I will put some rainbow stones at the edge. Beautiful! To make the gown more shiny, I will add glitters. the dress become more shiny? Let's make some roses. I need a lot of small round shapes. I'll use case cutters to get perfect circle. Then I will arrange them and start rolling. Ta-da! I have a cute rose. Now, let's arrange them on the bottom of the dress. Great! We just finished making another gown for our princess. She looks stunning in her new outfit. Let's move on to our last princess. Our Princess Snow White is so eager to try her new gown. I will make a beautiful yellow gown with full of flowers. Some stones and glitters will make the gowns more shiny. Do you know why the princess loves shiny gowns? Because a shiny dress will help them stand out under the light of the ballroom. Some blue and pink flowers will make the dress more attractive. agree that blue and pink go so well with yellow? I think so. We just finished another gown for the princess. There must be a lot of complimenting about the gown tonight. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.